In this video, I'll detail how to enable multi-control on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to control your Samsung phone on two different devices, then you need to turn on multi-control. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable multi-control on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on connected devices. Then you want to scroll down a bit, locate multi-control and tap it. Then you see, use the keyboard and mouse connected to your own Galaxy device to control all other Galaxy devices and drag and drop file between them. So if you have any kind of Samsung Galaxy devices, maybe 2 or 3 connected together, once this is turned on, you can use your mouse to drag file from one Samsung Galaxy device to the other. So mark you, the only thing you have to do here is just make sure you sign in using the same Samsung account. So that's it. So that's all you need to do to enable or turn on multi-control on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.